Welcome to In Jamaica. And if this is your first time here, please subscribe, click the notification bell, and stick around to see places in Jamaica. This video is aimed at giving you a general overview, but you can check the video description for added information. Currently, we are driving from Hopewell in Hanover Parish towards Unity Hall in St. James Parish, crossing the Great River. Here is the Hanover and St. James Parish border. So we have just left Hanover Parish and we are now in St. James Parish. Entering Unity Hall. To the right is Great River Private Road. We are driving on the Dr. Aston King Highway. To the right is Guava Walk, which will take you to Unity Hall Open Bible Church. To the left, you can find the Great River Bluff. The road to the right is Rhine Drive, which will take you into Unity Hall community. On the right is Peters Avenue. The road on the right will take you to Claridge Hall, to Tower Hill, where you will find Tower Hill Primary School, to Wilshire, Childermas, and the other communities. The road on the right will take you into Spring Gardens. Entering Reading. Please remember to subscribe to In Jamaica. Give us a like and share, and thank you all for watching.